Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. We'd be grateful to have you. It is free 99. If it's free, it's for me most of the time. Okay, just hit that button and make that red subscribe button bling bling. Everybody in the club bling. Okay, that's enough. So, and if you're not new here, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Just do it now already because you already back. I mean, just do it. do it. Do it. Do it. No, I'm kidding. But if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you want to subscribe, definitely subscribe. Over here we do budgeting yeah, that's it. Budgeting videos. I am a single budgeter, digital budgeter using Google Sheets for most things. I use Capital One bank account. I'm gonna look into that ally situation because I've been seeing these bucket things that have been intriguing me, but I haven't done that yet. But let's get right into this video. It's basically just a breakdown of where we are with our savings challenge for the emergency fund. If you're new here right now, I'm just trying to get my emergency fund to $3,000. I know that's not really the right amount because you really should be getting 3 to 6 months of living expenses to have a fully funded emergency fund. But right now, I know that a baby emergency fund is $1,000. But for me, a baby emergency fund is $3,000. I just kind of pretty much take what it takes my whole check without me adjusting anything for the entire month, and I say it's about 3,000. When I was making about 1,400, let's call it $1,500. I was making 14 something, but let's say I made $1,500 times two, it would be $3,000. So I'd be perfectly good for a month, not changing anything, and still have a tad bit left over with my current expenses. So that's just where I want to go with my emergency fund, and then I'll start saving for some other important things in my life. Like I said, do whatever works for you, okay? So this is a sheet that I had bought from a lady. When I was trying to do a different kind of budgeting, and didn't work for me. But right now, these are all my sinking funds, or the majority of them, and they're not right. I know these amounts are no longer right, but I'm not stressing myself about that right now. Right now, the only one I'm concerned about is my savings for my emergency fund. Like you see right here, the goal, or maybe you don't. Please hold. Let me see if I can make it without losing my face a tad bit bigger. Okay. So it's currently, it says the goal is 3,000. When I first did this months ago, it said I was at 2,349.94, and I had this much left. If I can do it in 3 months, if I made $216.69. This is no longer correct. So what I want to do is make sure that I have this number completely correct and explain all the things that happened. So first, let's go and find our emergency fund. Actually, it's kind of correct now, but that's weird because we did so much. So when I first said we had, how much did I say we had? Did I put a date? So the log, no. Did I have a date? No, I don't know what day I put this amount in, so I can't really tell, and I haven't logged anything either. Shoo. Girl, we came over here to see how much it was. Girl, pay attention. Pay attention. 2,349.64. Y'all let me know. Oh, there we are. So it must have been in dang July. We in September? Fam. We done a lot since then. 2 3 well, that's the last time I see when our bank account was at 2,349.94. Was wait, wait. Sorry, right here in July 13th, 2,349.94. Okay. Since then, we have taken out $100 to fix the stove. Let's go ahead and update everything because that's where we at right now. Okay. We're trying to be as accurate as possible. So that was on, actually, this is going to take too long. I'm going to go ahead and update everything I see here, and then we'll go over it. Okay. Onto the log because I don't want y'all to have to wait for me to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. All right, guys, thanks so much for holding. So I went ahead and did not bore you guys with transferring everything that basically was here from that date, the July date, to here. So let me just go over quickly with you some of the things that had happened. July 24th, we took money out of the emergency fund at $100. That's for my, a lot of you remember all of this, my stove being broken. And that's what I pay my home warranty people in order to have somebody come out and look at it. On July 15th, we had $15 put into this account for savings. Anytime it's like general savings, rollover from the the budget that we had or just my normal sinking fund money, I just put savings there. July 31st, interest of 59 cents was applied. On August 8th, $73.80 was taken out. I don't know why it said savings. No, I'm sorry. $73.80 was put in savings. And August 23rd, allowed on August 10th. Girl, get your life. I don't think this date is right here. Yes, it is. I don't know about this date. Hold on. $100 out was on what date? Yeah, the 24th. Okay, that makes sense. 24th, 29th. 29th. This date is wrong. This is supposed to be the 29th. Okay. Sorry. Let's line these up so I don't get myself confused. 24th, $100 was taken out for the stove. 15 on the 29th, 15 was put in for saving. On the 31st, we got 59 cents of interest. On 8307 was taken out to make a credit card payment on August 5th. On August 5th, again, we put $50 back in for savings. We had $73.80 put in there for savings on August 8th. August 10th, we put $25, and that's probably like our general sinking fund savings. And then the 27th, we put $125 in savings, which was really great. And then on the 29th, we took $50 out. We, as in me, took $50 out. I gave $25 to Luca's brain surgery and $25 to Crystal. And then on the 31st of August, we got interest of 59 cents again. Yes, we love the interest. On September 3rd, we had put $7.28 in savings. $200 on September 7th in savings. But then, so what happened here is we put $200 the wrong way. Then we took $400 out the other way because we were trying to pay off the Discover card. And what was meant to happen was emergency fund transfer $200 to my main account, but instead I sent money from my main account to my savings. So now I had to double up and send it back. So that's what happened on both of these September 7th. But also on September 7th, we put our normal $25 in our savings. On September 24th, which is today, we went ahead and put $100 in savings from that money we had saved from starting to cash stuffing. And September 24th, we added a 24th. Again, we added our normal 25 to savings. And that's the last transaction. So as of now, we have $2,364.13 left. We have 600. I wonder if that updated properly. Let's add really quickly. 2,364.13 plus 635.87, 3,000. Okay, so we have 2,305. What? $2,364.13 saved. We have $635.80, 87 cents left to save, which is a lot, but we'll get there when we get there to get to our $3,000 goal. And here is the amount: 2,364.13, 2,364.13. That means that both accounts are caught up to date, and that's where we are, you guys. So let's just pray that we can get another $100 in here. If I can get another $100 in here every month, I will be very happy about that. So our goal for next month is $2,464.13. Yeah, that's where we're at, guys. I just wanted to keep you guys posted because I know that is one that we're working on, and I like to keep you guys up to date where we're at. This is a nice short video. So thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, you all. It's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hands.